Alright, hello Pokehixsters. We are going to start by opening Hidden Fates Gyarados 10. Hopefully pulling that shiny Charizard that everybody is looking to get. And then once we're done with this, we are going to get to some vintage cards and a story of how I came across these and how I got them. And it's pretty cool. So let's get started here. I'll open this thing up, and you can get these at GameStop for $22. I think they're the reprint. They started printing these again. And let's get started here. Here is your code card. And here is the Gyarados. It's pretty cool. Alright. I think I will start with the Mew. Now, I've been dying to get that Charizard card that literally everybody is wanting. I think right now they're about $500 if you pull one. Really good. And I believe it's 4 from the back. Water, Farfetch, going to make some soup. Alright, we got Rock's Gym there. We got a Chansey. We got a Geodude. We got a Slowpoke. We got a Clefairy. A Jigglypuff. Caterpie. Reverse Hollow Misties, and Voltro, or Electrode. Why did I say that wrong? Not bad, not bad. I'll admit, not gonna lie, it's not exactly what I wanted, but that's life. You don't always get what you want. And I'm hoping everybody is doing good out there with the virus going on, and we're going to keep some positive here on this channel. And hopefully I'd like to get into doing some giveaways. Psychic Energy. Sabrina. Charmeleon. Is this a sign? Are we going to get that Charizard card? Chansey. Charmander, I think we're going to get it. I'm feeling the heat. We got 2. So there's Slowpoke, 2 fire Pokemon, Charmander and Charmeleon. I think Charizard's coming up. Psychic, Pikachu with his bubbles, Magikarp. Oh, we got a golden card. We got a Tapu Koko GX. Oh my gosh. Gold is pulled. And we got a Starmie. Oh man, I really wish my kids were filming this one with me. They would have freaked out. I'm not going to tell them. I'm going to have them watch the channel. And they are going to go crazy over that. I can't believe it. I'm excited. Might have to get a re-look at that card here in a second. Definitely get that sleeved up. Grass. mess over here. Graveler, Giovanni, Broxgrit, Eevee. Now I probably would have screamed on that gold card if my children weren't asleep. Ekans, Charmander. Oh, I'm feeling it. We're going to get something amazing here. Psyduck, Magikarp. Oh, a shiny Espeon. Oh my goodness. I am smiling ear to ear right now. Oh, and there is Weezing. And Jesse's in the background. Let's see if I can get that into focus. There's Jesse in that background there. Team Rocket. Put you there. Let's... Alright. Oh man, I am excited. And keep watching this all the way to the end. I know it's 4 packs, that's all there is. But we are going to get into some vintage cards here. Now I'm going to show you. There is the code card. Water. Nope. Jinx. Pokemon Center Lady. Metapod. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get these. There we go. Eevee. Clefairy. Caterpie. Ekans. Paris. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. And Brock's Trainer. Alright, let's get a relook at these cards here. Look at the shine on that thing. Centering is good. Let's look at the back. That back looks really good. Look at this thing. Look at the gold on this and the detail. It is amazing. Oh, I went from a PSA 10 to a PSA 2. All right, that is amazing card. I am ecstatic by that. Okay, so